Good day, sir. My name is Janford Napoli. Today, I will discuss the assignment in C3. And first is the theme concept of the day. Na-refers ni siya sa word or seeing na ginagamit po aron mag-serve as a guide sa community in relation to their day-by-day interaction and behavior. Kaning concept of the day is gina-elaborate ni during morning meeting by some members of the community. Then ang meditation discovering your inner sanctuary is mao ni ang exercise na makatabang sa mga residents to find their inner peace and balance. So, diri ginagamit ang visualization and breathing techniques to release tension and connect with the inner wisdom during inani is 1 to 2 hours once a month. Then, ang participant is ang resident o facilitator. Then sunod is ang grab bag. Mao na ang form of seminar na maka-enhance sa resident ability to communicate, analysis, ideas develop insight about themselves and produce in ani is i-divide ang group into a small group of 10 members, then 1 facilitator per group. And each facilitator is na ay plastic bag or container na ay sulod different kinds of item, tapos ang resident pa ang kuhaon or pabunuton og isa ka item, din hatagan sila og 3 to 5 minutes to tell something about sa item. Kumbaga ipa-describe ni si ilang kung unsa buhat ng items. Then after i-process sa facilitator ang activity, mag-ask siya kung unsa ilang na feel about sa activity, kung unsa ang insight ang ilang nakuha. Then sunod is seminars. Mao ni ang activities na naa sa sulod sa TC that can stimulate intellectual growth and community skills. Kumbaga, mao ni ang way to providing information aron mag-improve ang speaking, writing abilities sa resident, and para mag-enhance po ang iyang listening ability para makasabot siya sa mga information sa gipresenta during duration is 1 to 2 hours once a week. Then ang participants is ang resident o facilitator. Then debate is mao ni ang introduce para mahatagan og opportunity ang residents to learn how to reason and put together arguments to a logical manner. Mao pud ni ang exercise on how to listen and formula ideas and demonstrate broader understanding about sa certain issues, makahatag ni og certain insight. Then function of the different position in the hierarchy is 1. Coordinator. Ang coordinator is siya ang mag-act as a positive role model to all. positive role model to all residents is ang overall leader who supervise a department, and also siya ang encourage sa resident to use behavioral shaping tools. Then number 2 is coordinator on duty. Siya ang nagakonduct og daily inspection in all areas like cells, kitchen, o etc. Naga-delegates po siya o tasks to another coordinators and maintains direct communicate on with the chief expeditor. Din siya po also ang naga-record sa daily incident activities in logbook. Responsible siya sa pag-disseminate o information na nagikan sa staff or director. Then ikatulo is chief expeditor. Siya ang naga-manage sa daily operation of entire community. Naga-delegates po siya og responsibilities sa assistant chief expeditor. Siya po di ay tuod ang naga-oversees sa daily schedule and department coordination. Din also responsible po siya sa pakipag-communicate with both department head and coordinator on duty regularly. Then sunod, assistant chief expeditor. Siya ang nag-a-assist sa chief expeditor o siya po ang naga-monitor sa dormitory activities. Then sunod is department head. Responsible ni siya sa pag-lead sa department, pag-assist o task ang naga-check po ni siya sa mga attendance, sa mga participant. Then next is department crew. Responsible ni siya sa pag-assign o duties and responsibilities specific to their department. Example lang ana is cleaning or cooking. Then next is TCMP department under function. One is business office department. Responsible ni na department sa pag-welcome o orient sa mga new resident about sa rules, policies and TC philosophy. Sila ang naga-prepare o communication events and announcements. Sila po also ang naga-maintain sa resident records and bulletin board. Next is expediting team. So mao na responsible ni sila sa pag-oversees sa daily operation, attendance and discipline, pag-report sa mga incident and attitudes, and also sa paki-coordinate sa medical staff for sick residents and attitudes, and also sa paki-coordinate sa medical staff for sick residents. Then kitchen department. Kanina department is responsible sa pag-prepare of foods para sa mga residents. Sila ang naga-ensure sa sanitation quality and proper food storage. Then sila ang naga-manage sa menu and portion to reduce waste. Then next is maintenance and landscaping department. Kanina department is responsible sa pag-maintain sa cleanliness repairs, and grounds. Sila po ang naga-monitor sa paggamit og electricity and water. Sila ang naga-handle sa facility repairs. Then 5 is housekeeping department. Kani po na department is responsible sa pag-maintain sa cleanliness sa sulod sa silda, mesols, visitation area, and restrooms. Then 6 is laundry department. Sila ang responsible sa pag-organize and schedule sa laundry time for dormitories, and also sila ang nag-manage sa drying areas and distribution of clean clothes to respective dorms. Alright. Thank you.